everyone, welcome back to our channel. Mike here from TeamHira Adventures. Guys, today's video I'm making a cauliflower tofu curry. So I have one cauliflower head tofu, I'll show you in a few minutes. And I press the tofu for like 25 minutes, 30 minutes, so get all the liquid from it, so you don't, when you cook it, you don't get sloppy. So let me show you the cauliflower. So this is the head of cauliflower I have here. So I will cut this up in small parts. Then I will wash it with the salt, vinegar. I have one medium onion. So this is the tofu here. I use a cast iron pan to press it, so get the liquid out. So there's the tofu there. This is I put over this I have a used strainer here. I got it right on Dollar Tree. See, that's all the liquid came out from it. Cut this up in black. I'm not cut it small. You guys see I make a lot of video with tofu, with bora, okra. You call it long beans, bora, what you call it. I make it in chow mein, but I cut it small. For this curry, I'm not making cutting it too small. I cut it, the chunk is going to be a little bigger. Alright, so this is how it looks. Usually when I make chow mein with it, I cut it smaller than this, in cube. But for the curry, I make it this size here. Alright guys, so I cut the cauliflower up. I cut up the onion. I got the tofu there. I'll put some seasoning for that. I will cook that first, and then we will add it into the curry later. So that's the cauliflower. I wash it. I usually wash with vinegar and salt, soak it for 10 minutes. So I wash it here already. That's my onion here. You can add a little garlic powder in here, not too much. Usually when I put in chow mein, I put more seasoning. I will put a little paprika. You just put a little Himalayan salt. Okay, we can add back salt in the curry later. We can mix this up and then drop it inside the oil, let this cook. Okay, so we can drop this in here. Just spread it out a little. We fry it nice and a little brown, and then if you put it in the curry just like this, the whole thing will mash up and get saggy and loose up apart. And this tofu I usually buy the extra farm tofu, so it cooks real nice. The extra farm organic tofu. And so we let this fry. Once it's finished fried, then we can get to the curry part. Alright, so in the meantime, we're gonna mix our masala for the curry. So I have curry powder here. I'm not putting a lot. You don't need a lot for this curry. Just like a little less than a tablespoon. Geera here. A little half teaspoon of Geera. I have masala. Put a little over half a teaspoon of masala. I have turmeric here. I put a little turmeric. Put a teaspoon. Now if you want to add green seasoning, you can add green seasoning here. But I'm not putting any green seasoning today. Just the masala, curry powder, and turmeric and Geera. And in this here, we don't add too much water because we don't want too much of liquid. The cauliflower cook real fast. So you first put a little water in here to mix this up. So the cauliflower don't take long to cook. That cook real fast. And then we will cut our hot pepper inside later. So this is all we need. This is all the masala mixture we need for the curry. It's really healthy. A lot of fiber in the cauliflower. And this tofu also have a lot of fiber. So it's a good veggie meal. If you keep it fast, when you have a religious holiday comes up, it's a good veggie meal. And this is really perfect with rice and dal. I didn't make rice earlier. I have some dal here. We had dal from yesterday. We just heat it up. Alright, so when this is finished, we can take this off and then we get to the curry part. Alright guys, so you see it start to get brown. So we gotta get this a little more brown and then we can take it off. Start to get brown and nice. Guys, look at that. So it's finished now, we'll take it off here. But this is good oil, healthy oil. This is olive mixed with pomegranate oil. So it's finished here now. Alright guys, so this is how we use to cook the curry now. First I'm going to drop the onion in. Once the onion sauteed good, then we can drop the masala mixture in here. This is one hot pepper. I will cut this up inside. How beautiful this tofu look, man. Nice and brown. Okay, just like this. A really good snack. If you don't want to mix with anything, you can just eat like this. Really good. Alright, so onion is caramelized here. We'll drop the masala mixture in here. Just put a little water in here to just wash this out and drop it in here. You don't want too much water. A little to rinse the bowl out. See, I just dropped the masala in here now. Let the water dry out a little. Once the masala bunja up a little. Alright, so the masala is good. We'll drop our cauliflower in with the Himalayan salt. We'll cut our hot pepper in. We use a lot of pepper. We like the food spicy. Alright, so we'll give this a turn. So it looks like, so I'll add a little water now, not too much, just a little. Alright, so that's the, you put a lid over it, they cook. Because this don't take long to cook, cauliflower cook real fast. Right? I don't want to get too soft, I want a little crunchy. So I put a lid on it, you get a little air. Don't want to cover it completely. Alright guys, so this almost finished. Maybe the next 5 minutes, so what I'll do, I'll drop the tofu in here now. Like cook with this for a little next 5 minutes and then we finish. Alright, so I have the tofu here. I'll drop this in, spin it, turn it up. Guys, just finished. Just cut the stove off. So I'll transfer this in a smaller pot so you can see it more better. And then we give it a taste test. Look at that. You get some rice, the dal, and you have a nice healthy veggie meal. So let's give it a taste test. Right of the cauliflower, I have the tofu. See how it's soft, fat tender. Really soft, man. Is it the tofu? Perfect. So later on we can add some of this with the dal and rice. Okay, give it a try. It's really, really good. And you see what I did? I didn't put too much curry powder, masala, nothing like that. Nice and light. The flavor is really good. Well guys, give it a try. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, comment. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Alright? See you back soon in the next adventure. Thank you again so much for watching.